Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out and unboxing this 20-stage shower water filter. So let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the package. So they give you a manual and instructions on how to install it. So this goes right behind your shower head. So keep that in mind. So it would be your shower head and then this filter. And this just filters your water. You know, it's that simple. So as you see, you would screw one end into your shower part and the other into the shower head. They give you the sealant tape. So this tape would wrap around the braided line and then you would thread this on. They do give you some more accessories in here as well. So let's open this up, show you guys what else they give you. Oh, okay, so looks like they give you a spare filter. So this is what the filter looks like inside here. And it just twists. So you just twist it when you want to replace the filter. And this is how the filter is going to go. The filter side is going to be facing up towards the wider opening. And that just pops in and out. So you go ahead, swap that out, drop the new one in, re-thread it back on, and that's how easy it is to change the filter. Overall, a nice filter. When we replace our shower head, I'm going to be putting this filter on because I want to put this on when we have a new one. Overall, guys, really nice.